The most comprehensive source of Ruby scripts for Sketchup are located here at the Ruby Library Depot. You can see the URL listed up here. This site is maintained by Didier Boer, who's with a French architecture school. He's really doing us a great service by categorizing and maintaining hundreds of Ruby scripts that are free to use. Let's try one out. I'm going to go into the Imperial section with feet and inches, and I'll click on the text category. And in a moment, we're going to see a listing of all the Ruby scripts that people have contributed having to do with text. I'm going to find this script right here, num. This was the first SketchUp Ruby script ever created, so it's sort of appropriate that it's the first one that you load. Right-click and choose to save it on your desktop or some memorable place. And I've already done that. I'm just going to switch over to the Finder. SketchUp loads Ruby scripts from its Plugins folder. The path is listed here. It's off of your computer, hard drive, library, application support, Google SketchUp 7, SketchUp plugins. Note that this is not part of the user library. In Windows, this would be located under C, Program Files, Google SketchUp 7, Plugins. SketchUp will load all the Ruby scripts listed in this folder. However, it won't load Ruby scripts that are in subfolders unless you direct it to in a script. I have a subfolder here that I call Hold. It contains scripts that are not loaded. num.rb is in this folder, and I'll just drag it up a level into the Plugins folder. Now SketchUp can see it. The next time I run SketchUp, num will be loaded. In Leopard, I can press the spacebar to get a quick look at this text file. In Windows, you would double-click the file to open it in Notepad. The top of the file is documented with a little information that will help us figure out how to use this script. It says that you can select it from the menu. Left-click to add text. Enter it in VCB, the start number. Remember, the VCB is the measurements toolbar in version 7. And you can right-click to change the increment. Let's give it a try. We have to switch back to SketchUp, quit, and then start SketchUp up again. Num should be loaded, and we can find it on the Tools menu down here. I'll execute the tool, and then I'll just start clicking. It adds numbers sequentially. If I right-click, I can change the increment. Let's say I want to increment by 3. It works. It's not earth-shaking, but it does introduce you to the world of Ruby scripts.